BJP that is facing questions from the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Congress party over the endorsement of sorts that's coming from their Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu. The Congress too is mounting pressure. So far we haven't heard anything yet from top leaders of the BJP after this comment made by Ravneet Singh Bittu. What did Ravneet Singh Bittu say? Ravneet Singh Bittu referred to Narayan Singh Chora, who currently is in custody, the man who opened fire when it was Sukhbir Singh Badal who was, performing his penance. Many say this was nothing less than a brazen assassination bid which was foiled by alert security personnel and people who were present there. It is Sukhbir Badal who continues with his penance, but now the Congress party too has reacted, and that's the latest breaking news coming in. The Congress party too is questioning the government over Ravneet Singh Bittu's remark. The Congress in fact has gone ahead and has said that Ravneet Singh Bittu's stance is a reflection of the centre stand. Let's listen in.
Now Mr. Amit Shah and Modi should reply that his cabinet minister is backing a terrorist. So what happened that BJP is to answer, not Ravneet Bittu. And Ravneet Bittu is not an ordinary BJP worker, but he is not even member of parliament, but even more than that is a minister. That it means that to what extent they can stoop down, nobody knows. And of course, it's a very painful.
Let me go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, there are questions coming in, and this time the Congress party has gone ahead and has said that if the leaders of the BJP do not make their stand clear, it will be assumed that the statement made by Ravneet Singh Bittu is actually a reflection of the centre stand. What else? How do you think the Congress and the Shiromani Akali Dal are planning to corner the BJP over the statements made by Ravneet Singh Bittu when it comes to Narayan Singh Chora?
Well, that's right. See, the Congress and the Shiromani Akali Dal is expected to mount its attack on the BJP and put BJP in the back foot since the BJP is yet to officially respond to the remarks made by Bittu. Now, looking at Chora's past histories, clearly a terrorist has been linked with several terrorist organizations. So under these circumstances, the Congress says that Ravneet Singh Bittu is not an ordinary BJP worker. He's a union minister, he's a cabinet minister. And the statement made by him clearly shows that it is a reflection of the BJP, and the BJP is making this statement. So clearly the Congress have demanded answer from Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding this matter, that they should come out and clear regarding what scenario did Mr. Bittu make this statement. On the other hand, the Shiromani Akali Dal is expected to mount its attack on Ravneet Singh Bittu and the BJP, and the Shiromani Akali Dal is questioning the BJP whether BJP supports this remark, and they are also justifying this attack on Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Because right after, after Narayan Singh Chora opened fire and those visuals shocked the entire country, even leaders of the BJP came out and condemned the attack. They in fact questioned the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar in the state of Punjab over the deteriorating law and order situation. And now, with one of the ministers of the BJP, a central minister, if he comes out and says that Narayan Singh Chora should be treated as the Qaum da Heera, the political fight is only escalating. Now let's get you some more inputs with regards to the investigation. Sources are now telling Times Now that the Amritsar police is trying to ascertain from where Narayan Singh Chora got the weapon which was used by him in his assassination bid. Failed assassination bid on former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal. Investigations so far have revealed that the weapon, which is a 9mm pistol, was used by Chora, is similar to the one he allegedly used in another case that has been registered against him, and this was a case that was registered against him in the year 2010. Now, the weapon was used on the 4th of December. That weapon has been sent for forensic examination. Questioning is also underway to find out if the same weapon was used in both cases, or did Chora have two different weapons which were used to in fact execute what he tried to do with Sukhbir Singh Badal. in the premises of the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Then the police have also questioned Chaura's family members and also close acquaintances. Now let me go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, for viewers who are just joining us on this broadcast, as the politics plays out, take us through details of who exactly Narayan Singh Chaura is. Over the last few days, a lot has been spoken about his links to Khalistani groups, about his possible links to even some elements of the ISI. Take us through his history.
Well, that's right. See, Narayan Singh Chaura has always been a controversial character, and looking at his past history, where he has certain links with the Khalistan as well as certain link with the ISI, in fact. And there has been a jailbreak attempt by Narayan Singh Chaura in the past, and after which he was also arrested back by the Punjab police. So he always has been a controversial character, always been associated with the terrorist group in the state of Punjab. And this particular remark made by Ravneet Singh Bittu clearly puts the BJP into trouble, because clearly the statement made by Mr. Ravneet Singh Bittu, where he says that the action done by Mr. Chaura is not, it should not be seen as a revenge, but it could be seen as a religious sentiment. So this would spark a lot of outrage among the other political parties, specifically the Shiromani Akali Dal as well as the Congress party.
All right.